Hi folks, this is Art at Leach Camper Sales, where we make camping better. Another nice trade-in that we got stored inside, 2011 Keystone Montana Mountaineer Series 326 RL, which means 26 foot of living space with a rear living floor plan. As you can see, the decals are almost like new. It's hard to believe this is a 2011. This is a 3-slide, but what's nice about it is it's 3-slide hydraulic. It costs more money to have hydraulic slides than electric slides. That's a nice added feature. Has the Demco glide ride receiver. Very nice, very clean. Aluminum rims, heavy axles. There's it, shows you the Mountaineer Edition. $50 amp service. It does come with one 15,000 BTU air conditioner, but you can add a second one. It's pre-wired for it. Come on in, folks. This one is gorgeous inside. This weighs 10,520 pounds. As you come in, you can see it doesn't have a booth dinette. It actually has a table and chairs. Nice fold-out couch, twin rocker recliners. There's an office for you, fireplace, big screen TV that does come out and swivel, nice stereo system, solid surface countertops, very clean. 3-burner stove, wood trim refrigerator, 8 cubic foot instead of a 6. This has the 10-gallon hot water heater instead of a 6. Oh, I forgot to show you, this one does have the ceiling fan along with the central air conditioning. Picture windows all around. That back window really sets this coach apart as a rear living. One thing that's unique here is the rounded corners, the steps that go up. It gives it a more elegant, more of a home feature. As you can see, there's only one slide out switch because these are hydraulic. So all 3 slide outs are run with one switch. Come on up. Very elegant up here also. The bed slides out. It's a true queen size bed. As you can see, very good condition, pillow top. Windows on either side. Nice big closet space. If you choose to have a washer and dryer, it's prepped for one. Does have the bedroom TV and lots of storage up here. As we look around, we see the carpet doesn't have any wear marks, so you can tell it hasn't had a lot of use. Let's take a peek at that bathroom. So it has a nice big residential shower, nice big sink, tall ceilings. Shows very well, very clean unit stored inside. Again, folks, 2011 Montana Mountaineer Edition Series 326 rear living. We have it priced at $24,999. This is Art at Leach Camper Sales, where we make camping better.